Hey guys, it's CFL-TECH back with another video with CFL-TECH, and now we're back to devices. We've been doing some streaming videos recently, and now, like we said, we've said this before, that we do a little bit of everything here with tech related, and we have something new in the house here. We have the Pixel 7a just arrived, and this is in that sky color, so it's really cool looking. And let's go and make this a quick video. We're gonna do a little comparison here with something as well. So let's get this open and peel off this tape. And let's do this opening, and we got it. There it is, the blue color, the sky color. It's like a light blue. Looks pretty cool. I like that color a lot. So let's pull it out and see what we got here. The usual stuff. Let's go ahead and do the sound. Not as like it used to be, but you know, it still sounds pretty nice. So there you go. Very familiar looking back of the Pixel 7a. It looks like the Pixel 7 for the most part. And we got the usual stuff. We just have a USB-C cable. Then we have the transfer dongle and some books, which we're probably not going to look at ever. Maybe some people do, but that's all you get in the box. There is no more chargers. We know that already. So there's the phone. Let's put this aside, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the device, and we will, the sides here look pretty cool. You got your SIM slot, and you have your volume rocker, power button, the usual spots. You got the dual camera. So let's see what we got here. Now we have a Pixel 7. So you can see the difference. They look pretty identical. Looks like it booted up. We did hit the power button on that, so that's cool. So yeah, look at the difference here. Very minimal. Thickness-wise, we're not looking at too much of a difference here. You got a 6.3 inch display on the Pixel 7, and you got a 6.1 on the Pixel 7a. So not, a little bit bigger, so you can see the difference there. Not great on the actual frame, so you're not going to see much of a difference there. So that's really nice if you're used to, if you want a Pixel 7a and you have a 7, or if you just want to go down to a 7a, which now it's not really much of a downgrade, which is kind of interesting. So yeah, this is the comparison between the two bodies. And what do you think? Are you liking the Pixel 7a in this color? And did you pick one up? We're going to have more videos to come. This is just a quick video, and just a look on the frames and the size, and also your thoughts on both of these devices, and what do you think of the price of the 7a with the comparison to the Pixel 7. Now, you're not looking at a big difference in the price, but you're getting a 90 hertz display now, refresh rate on the Pixel 7a, and it's not set to that by default, just so you know. You have to go in and adjust the display settings, and the smooth display, turn it on. So that's something you need to do if you want to get the 90 hertz. But you're looking at, wireless charging now in the Pixel 7a, which they didn't have in the 6a. So it's 7.5 watts, not major speeds at all, but it might help just to keep the phone refreshed. So what are your thoughts on this? Put your comments down below. We got some cases coming. I got several speaking cases coming up. We got the official case from Google coming up. So if you got a Pixel 7a, stay tuned. You're going to have more things to look at and check out. And we'll do some of the checking out for you and testing. So stay tuned. CFL-TECH is here for you. CFL-TECH checking out of this one. Be checking back soon on another one. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Take care.